The National Leading Committee for Rural Development and Poverty Eradication will next month begin an assessment of the progress made towards poverty reduction. Officials said the results will comprise a national evaluation of poverty reduction from 2011 to 2015. The report will be sent to the government in June.
National Leading Committee for Rural Development and Poverty Eradication official Chit Thavisay told a press conference at the Lao Journalists Association recently that there was no data on the number of poor families and villages for 2015. However, the figures for 2011 to 2014 showed that the number of poor families had now fallen to 8.11%. This exceeded the government's target of reducing the proportion of poor families to at least 10% of the total. Some 1,965 villages nationwide are still classified as poor. The number of poor rural communities had fallen to 23.08% by the end of 2014. The target is to reduce the number of poor villages to 11% of the nationwide total. The government is actively implementing its strategy in the hope of raising the country out of poverty by 2020 as targeted. The efforts are linked to the Laos's commitments under the Millennium Development Goals or MDGs agreed to some 15 years ago. Their aim is to eradicate extreme poverty and hunger, achieve universal primary education, promote gender equality, and empower women, reduce child mortality, improve maternal health, combat HIV and AIDS, malaria and other diseases, ensure environmental sustainability, and develop a global partnership for development.